cough drops. I think they taste awful.
I know.
So good though. This one's
I know.
I usually don't like it.
Whenever the nurse at school gives me a cough drop, I say I don't like it, and she gives me a peppermint.
I usually don't like them, but this one's really good. Hey, y'all. Another one.
Cough drop talk.
Cough drop, cough.
Look, I can smell it from here, Christy.
I know. I can smell it too.
It is so crazy.
Hi.
We're talking about cough
They're
drops.
a bad thing. I think it's really good.
Cough drops are horrible tasting.
It's so good. You want to
There's
have
this one with there's this one that I gave her one that tastes
Everybody
like
who's
peach
watching
and it has
this?
honey in the middle.
We're usually not like this. I'm just kind of tired today because it's like, what, like 1 o'clock, and I like just woke up. No, I'm really tired.
I'll go back to
Sword.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, so did I. I will go between two.
Let's sing a song for the viewers at home.
Yay!
Cough drops
Cough.
are really good. Woo! Except for the kinds that are bad. But other than the bad kinds, they're all good. Except for the bad ones. Hey!
Your attention, please.
What?
If you're an actor requiring a
Actor? You're an actor.
I'm an
Okay. You videotape them now and gone.
Cough drops are good. Unless they're bad.
And you're crazy.
Then they're bad. Unless they're good, then they're really good. So they're good. Hey, look at me. Oh, there's a cough drop. Oh, yeah.
Let me see how small it is now. You're about to get to the honey.
No.
Yeah.
Oh! I got it!
It like melts in your mouth. It is so crazy. It's the craziest thing ever, but it is so cool.
Okay. So, one time I had this thing. Oh, it's so good. It has honey. It's like seriously like honey. Like it's not just like honey flavor. It's seriously honey on the inside of this cup top. It's really good. Anyways,
I don't know. I like
so one time I like had this candy called like a Zop.
I love
Yeah, it's called a Zop.
Zops. I love
And
those.
they're like candy on
Yeah,
the
and then
outside,
they have
and then you like
sour.
suck on it, and then there's like all this fizz stuff, and it makes your tongue look really weird.
It's good.
And it's like sour and stuff.
It's
I
so good.
just want to tell y'all about that.
Okay, I know.
Okay, so one time, I was walking down the street. This guy came up to me, right? Hey, on me, thanks. And he was like, hey, aren't you Christy? I'm like, yeah. And he was like, oh, I know your friend. And I was like, really? And he was like, yeah. And so I was like, oh, cool. Who? Which one? He was like, oh, Ciara, which is the girl who's taping it right now. And I was like, really? He was like, yeah. It's so, and I was like, OMG, that's so cool. He was like, yeah, I know. And we were in theater together.
And I'm with them too. Yeah, I'm in theater with them. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm sure you are. And
See my outfit.
and I was
I'm
like,
lost
okay,
in
then
my
what's your name? And he was like, oh, Andy. And I was like, oh, really? That's cool. And I was like, what plane? He was like, Peter Pan. And I was like, no, really? I was in that.
Christy.
And he was like, OMG, me too. I played Michael. And I was like, really? Me too. JK. I played Peter Pan. Anyways. And Ciara? Hey, no. And Ciara. Hey, over here. No. And then Ciara was all like, or Ciara was the one who played Tiger Lily, right? Because over the off nights, and she just played an Indian. And on my off nights, I played Miss Darling, which is what I am right now. And Lost Boy, yes. And yeah.
Do you want it back there? Goes backstage?
Where?
Just on the side over here.
Okay.
Okay. And you got your blanket for Lost Boy?
Okay, well, actually, we put it in there, and I'll bring it out there when I go. Okay.
You need your blanket for Lost Boy?
Anyways. What?
Oh, I didn't know you were in.
We're making a YouTube video.
Oh, goodness.
YouTube is good. Do y'all know how to spell YouTube? You spell U and then 2, and you put it together. Isn't that cool? I agree totally.
That's wrong. That's not how you spell it.
Yeah, it is.
No.
Yeah, you know what it is. It's
No,
YOUTUBE.com. Thank you. That spells for Christy, officially amazing. Oh, what now? Yeah. My thing's gone. My cough drops are really good. Cough drops are good, unless they're bad, which is when they're bad.
Yeah, Christy.
But usually they're good. then they're not good. So that's why I love cough drops. Hey.
Guys, this is so funny.
Hello.
I did this in the parking lot. I said, and the dancing dog and started to dance.
Evelyn?
The dancing dog!
Evelyn!
Woof.
Everybody noticed that Evelyn is now in the dog costume and her coffee?
And her coffee.
Everyone noticed Evelyn is now in the dog costume and her pants are in this bag.
Yay.
What will you be wearing, Evelyn, when you come out on the stage as twins?
Not the dog costume, that's for sure.
Christy, you're crazy.
Pants. Pants.
This is my, these ones were the only two I had.
We're basing fire.
Anyways,
Fire.
Yes, mother.
I need one. I need to be here.
Excuse me.
Okay. So what's the walkie talkie? It is. Hello. Come on, promise. Everybody.
on the drawer.
I forgot the WD-40, so I was going to ask them if they have some for the fireplace.
What is this?
Chocolate strawberries. Oh my gosh. Chocolate strawberries.
Ooh.
Okay, say that again.
What?
Jillian and I. Can Jillian and I do the intro today? If I don't have anybody else doing it, because I have a feeling somebody else is doing it. Are you waiting for me to eat my strawberry?
Oh. Just put it on YouTube.
Yes. Strawberry and Cassidy. Oh, it looks so good.
7 minutes.
Okay. 500 calories going to my body right now. I can feel it.
Oh, you need some, Miss Cassidy. You need some calories.
Chocolate has
And-
no calories. Did you know that?
Has something in it.
Chocolate's good.
Well, yeah, I know that.
It's like red wine.
That's what my workout instructor was telling us
We
yesterday.
made chocolate strawberries.
She's just like, here, have one. It boosts, you know, all kinds of wonderful feelings. I was like, yeah, well, it would be nice if I had those wonderful feelings to experience with.
Okay, so Cassidy, what did you mean about like Liza?
Okay, come here.
That was funny. That was hilarious. Hey guys.
Whoever plays Stargate today will not want to play Stargate.
Why?
We torture him.
What do you mean?
We take the rope when he
Hey,
says, this one's
she's
mine. We
putting
take
my
the rope and
bra
start
strap
spinning him around
Oh.
and then throw him
Oh,
to the ground.
beautiful.
And then we run.
It's a fun thought. Still recording. I thought it would fall back. I'll open it. It was just dead. Feel it. Feel it. I'm here. Wait. This is right. From yesterday.
What, that's from yesterday?
Yeah.
JK.
I'm
You
out.
should video record the devil clouds. They're demonic, cursed, and horrible. I hate them. I hate these more than anything in life. Well, actually, not really. But more than a lot of things in life.
Evelyn.
See? Don't they look fluffy? But no. The Eva! Andy, say hi. Hi, say hi.
How long have you been recording? I finally. Now we say goodbye.
No.
Yes, Ciara. Give me my camera. Hi. It's running low. I better. Ciara, give it to me. How can I smile?